Hello and welcome to the channel, everyone. This is my 2008 Audi A6. It has a 3.2 liter V6 engine in it. Today we'll be changing the fuel filter. Let's get started. Here I have removed the small side panel on the passenger side to locate the fuse box, and we will be removing this fuse number 38 in order to depressurize the lines. So we will remove this fuse, start the car, and basically run it until it dies. Using a small tool here. It's the fuse. Yes, I will start the car now. We'll see how long it will take before the car dies. So it's only under a minute and the car's engine stopped. So I have the car on the ramps, and in order to access the fuel filter, we'll need to remove two bolts, 10mm each, and a T20 right here. Go. And that is our fuel filter right there. This is the new man filter that I'll be putting in. It comes with these green caps that you can seal the ends of the old filter with so it doesn't spill any gas. When you take it out, I've taken out the two gas lines from this side, and I'll need to take out that gas line from that side. I've already loosened the bracket here, so I'll go ahead and switch it to the new one. So I've put the new man filter, and to put the lines, you just need to put the line until it snaps. There you go. As soon as you hear the click, it's all good to go. We'll go ahead, put the fuse back, and then we'll start the car and check for any leaks. We will put the fuse back in its spot. Like that. Put this pink piece back. And the car panel. There you go. Now, before I start the car, I've also purchased this Molly liquid gasoline system cleaner that I wanted to add to the tank. Okay, so go ahead and add this. I will go ahead and start the car. Just keep in mind that it might take a bit before the engine completely starts, as the fuel lines are getting pressurized again. Thanks for watching, everyone.